Okay, welcome back. This is part 15 of my personal messaging system tutorial series. And in the last video, for the most part, we're getting close to finishing the deleting action of our inbox and outbox. We finished the inbox deleting, and the outbox deleting, I thought we didn't finish, but the problem is that I didn't save out the page, which is idiotic on my part. So the problem was that I didn't save the page, and that's why it still wasn't updating. So, yeah. So, just to clarify, on the outbox, we're in the else if outbox right here, we're in our if select all, our query should be, scroll over some, everything right here, this right here, our query itself should be from user, and then the query to update should be from delete and from user. The query that's not inside of the select all should be from user, and below there it should be from delete. Now changing all of these from, having all of these froms and tos in the right places will matter. So once you've put those in all the correct places, so everything in the outbox, if you want, you can just hit like Control F or Command F on a Mac. You can find all of the to and replace it with from. Just do that, but don't hit replace all. Just replace next. Okay, so just to show you, I will select this first message. I would click delete. Your message has been deleted. Go back to inbox. Ooh, 2 messages. And just to show you, we can delete all. Delete all. Bam. No messages. We can also do the same thing for individual message on the inbox. And all messages on the inbox. So, right now we have no messages at all being displayed, which is good, which means our deleting is successful. So now the problem is displaying we need to display our message that says you have no messages in your inbox or your outbox. So we want to go to our inbox page, and on the scroll up, so you're at the top, we're inside of our while loop, for our first while loop for our inbox area, and right here, right before we end the if not MSG to delete, right before we end that, we're going to create a variable, and the variable, we're just going to call it var, or we'll call it num, and we're going to say plus equals 1. And on the outside of that if, and actually on the outside of the while, which is this right here, that's the end of the if. Right here is the outside of the while. We are going to put in an if statement. We're going to say if $num equals 0, or equals 0. Then we are going to echo, we're going to echo something. And what we're going to echo is the you have no messages in your inbox. So we save that and we refresh. We have an error somewhere. Okay, that might have fixed it. Nope. Okay, let's put our brackets on there. Okay, that's for numbers, which means on line 69, right there. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and find out why we're getting this error. Okay, the reason is because I forgot the semicolon after that. So, we save and refresh. We have our message, you have no messages in your inbox. So, that is successfully being displayed. So now what we need to do is we need to copy that, come down here, paste it right there. Come back up here, grab this little if statement, come back down here, and paste the if statement right there. Change inbox right here to outbox, save it, refresh. You have no messages in your outbox. Yes, that's the end of the tutorial. So that concludes the tutorial. Creating an entire personal messaging system for your website, a user-based website that is. So the source code for all videos 1 through 15 will be available in the description for every single video by now. By the time that all the videos have been uploaded, the source code will be available. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out developphp.com. Big props to Adam once again. Thanks for the JavaScript and jQuery tutorial. So I'm out.